Okay, hello year 10, welcome to this short tutorial video around this week's tasks. We're looking at the topic of deforestation in your biology lessons this week, and this video will help give you an overview of those tasks and a short tutorial for annotating one of them. Okay, so just looking at the learning that I have set up for you for this week. First of all, there is a starter task which is a Kahoot quiz. The pin code is provided there. The link for it is on Go for Schools, as is the rest of this information about these tasks. Second up, there is a question around unpicking what the definition of deforestation actually is, what it's about. Then we're going to asking you to look at some myths or facts around deforestation. Okay, and do a little bit of research around that. Then we're going to change tack slightly and look at something slightly different around peat bogs. Okay, what are peat bogs and why are they important? Not what are they important. Okay, and then finally there'll be some exam questions that are posted for you as well. Okay, so first up will be a short video which you can access again through Go for Schools, which talks about deforestation in a bit more detail. And I want you to use that video to produce some form of summary of deforestation. So that can be in the form of a mind map, a table, perhaps some notes. The important thing here is that you separate out what are the facts, the causes and the effects into three different sections. So you've actually got some kind of order to that information. Okay, you can put out pictures, you can add more detail, you can make that however you want it to. Obviously the key important parts are the information that you need, but you may want to present that in various ways. Okay, the second main task then is around the myths about deforestation. So what we do know is deforestation is a controversial subject, and there is a lot of misinformation that has been spread. Okay, so I've provided a link for you to the WWF Foundation, okay, where they have an article about myths around deforestation. And what I want you to do is choose at least 3 of those to discuss in a bit more detail. You need to explain what the myth covers, what it concerns, why it's incorrect, why it's something that maybe has come up, and you can use other sources to help evidence your arguments. You can go and research a little bit more, maybe read some articles, some sort of wider reading around that would be excellent. Okay, so moving towards peat bog destruction. Okay, so peat bogs are an important part of ecosystems. They trap carbon, so they've got a significant impact on the climate. Unfortunately, they are being destroyed. And what I'm going to do in a moment is go through a tutorial video to help you draw and annotate the formation of peat bogs. Okay, so I'd like you to follow the tutorial through with me. Make the same pictures into your notes, okay, and then after that research and explain why peat bogs are so important to biodiversity.